Hello everyone, welcome back to another series of tutorials. Through this tutorial, you will learn Laravel 8. Laravel is a very popular PHP MVC framework and widely used and have demand in the marketplace also. Before starting this video, I want to make things clear. This project is for absolutely beginners and intermediate level. If you have PHP knowledge and PHP object oriented knowledge, you can continue this project. And after watching this series, I am sure you will get confidence to work with Laravel. So no more intro, let's get started and check out the project we are going to build through this tutorial. One more things, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel to support me, which is free of cost. Let's go to the computer screen to review the project. On my screen, you can see there is a project is running. It's a simple file system demo project where you can upload files, edit files, and delete file and download the files. So let's check the project together. So here is the homepage of the site and it's a login page, and we have a registration page also. Here you can fulfill your first name, last name, email address and password. And also we have the option to reset password if you forget your password. So here you will submit your email and then you will get a reset link to your email, and through the reset link you can reset your password. So we will check all of them in later. So let's go to the dashboard. For that we have to log in first. So I have an account there and I will use that account to log in right now. Okay, so this is the user dashboard after login. So here is the pre-built bootstrap template I am using. So I haven't made any customization into the theme, and I'm just using the part what I needed. So here you can see that I have many parts and which is not configured yet. I just configured the dashboard, which is the dashboard view page. You are seeing that, and here you can see a table, and into the table we have few files, and here you can update the file name. So you can let me test it out. So then you can click on update, and okay, the file name has been updated, and you can delete the file and you can download the file. So here you can see, and also we have an upload pop-up that where we can upload files into the system. Click on upload button, choose a file, click on here and click on up. So it will upload the files. Here you can see the upload files. Here I have some restriction, which is that you can upload a big files here, because if you want to upload big files, then you need to change some configuration in your PHP. So you need to you need to change the file size. Okay, and also here you can see your profile page, and here things are not configured, but here logout option has been configured. So go to your profile, so you can see your profile information, and you can upload your profile information like first name and last name. And here you can't upload your email because the email is our primary authentication option, so you can't upload the email, and which is unique. Okay, so things this is a very basic project, and through this project I will share everything about Laravel and how to do this project. And I hope after doing this project you will get confidence to work with Laravel. So here is the logout option. Click on logout, so it will log you out. Okay, so see you in the next video on the project setup.